In
Sevens are.
sevens are 126.
Very good. That's great.
18
Eights are.
Nines.
Eights are.
18 eights are 100
And
and
lucky square 44.
44.
Very good. 89s are.
18 nines are 152.
Mm-hmm.
18 tens are 180.
Very good. Give him a big hand. Excellent. Very good, Bob. That was fantastic. Good. So, the way you learn this table, you can learn all the tables in a easy manner. There is no mugging up really needed. Mugging up never helps. I mug up something, I remember it only for some time and then I forget. Now, coming back to memory, there are 5 keys of memory. What are the 5 keys of memory? I, C, V, A, R. What is I? Can anyone say what I is?
Imagination.
No, has to be different. We already said imagination. I is something.
Innovation.
Okay, you are an intelligent boy, but the answer is not right. I gave you the answer indirectly.
Intelligence.
Intelligence. What is C? The kid who right now came, his name was Vish, and he set the table. He had full of confidence.
Concentration.
Confidence. That's why he got the answer correct. C stands for confidence. What is V and A? V stands for visualization. A stands for association. Visualize and associate. I am coming to this just right now after we finish this. And R stands for repetition. Revise. Within how many hours should we revise our work? After learning it for the first time. Right now you learned the table of 18. Within how many hours will you revise so that you don't forget? Any idea? Any guess?
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Not. It would be nice if you do it, but practically it's not possible.
It was after 2 hours.
Again, a close but not the very correct answer. After? Any more? Any other guess? 3 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours? 8 hours is the correct answer. You know, you have to revise within 8 hours. Unless you don't revise your work learned once within 8 hours, then again within 8 hours, then third time within 8 hours. Otherwise, it goes out of your memory system. That's why we say there are 2 kinds of memory, short term and long term. Short term is I told something and I remember it today. Long term is, Prochi ma'am, your number is 9830020728. Am I right? I have not saved your number or anything. It's just in my mind. I can save and remember any amount of numbers. In my phone, there are only 2 numbers. My mother's number and the house number. That too, if the phone is lost, someone can call and give it. So, I'm not relied on the technology and all, but I've relied on my memory. So, rely on your memory and repeat and revise within 8 hours to help yourself remember. Okay. Now, before I come to this visualization and association, I thought of sharing one more maths observation trick with you. Give me a 2-digit number. Give me a 2-digit number.
71.
71. Now, I am multiplying 71 into 11. What I am going to do is, I am going to use Vedic maths once again. I am going to copy the 7 and 1. And I am going to put a 8 here. And the answer is 781. Am I right? Is it clear? So, if I want to do 36 into 11, how will I do it? Any guess?
Answer is 396.
Okay. But what you have to do is, don't multiply the normal way. Do a 3 and a 6, and write 3 plus 6 is 9. This can be done mentally. You don't need to really use it on paper. So I'll ask the questions, 5 questions. Let's see who answers first. 54 into 11. Reply in the chat box or unmute, whatever.
594.
Okay, 16 into 11.
176.
Very good. 18 into 11.
198.
81 into 11.
891.
It was just the ulta of that. I caught you off guard. And the last one, 35 into 11.
885.
Very good. So you saw yourself how easily we can do numbers. Maths has, you have to fall in love with the subject. Ratan was talking to me that there are a lot of children in 8th, 9th, 10th who have a phobia for the subject. I was the one who had the biggest phobia for it. Okay? Imagine yourself in the 9th standard and not knowing the table of 3 or 4. But my mother encouraged me a lot. I did a lot of hard work myself. And I realized that my ways of learning were wrong. I had a hatred for the subject. Never hate something. Nothing is boring in life. It's you who makes it boring, who you makes it interesting. And another thing is that we accept failure as permanent. There's a saying, Ratan, that success is never ending, failure is never final. I'm sure you all have heard of it. So, when you are successful, you aim to be more better. When you are failing, try to remove the failures. Now, coming to visualization and association, I'm going to ask the audience to give me 10 any words, any random words. Don't give me easy way words like chair, pencil, that way. Make it as difficult as possible. Give me some word. I'm writing it down. I want 10 words. Yeah.
Phobia.
Phobia, okay. What else? Give the name of your favorite subject, what you like to eat, your favorite film star, anything.
Avocado.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Avocado.
What is that?
A vegetable.
Okay, thanks for the teaching. I didn't know it.
Ginger.
Avocado. Okay. Ginger. Okay. Then what?
Laptop.
Okay, that's a very good answer question. Now, what? So we have phobia, avocado, ginger, laptop. What else? Give me a number. Any number from 1 to 1000.
942.
942. Okay, give me the name of your favorite film star. Someone who's well known in Calcutta. Anywhere.
Ratan.
Okay. Ratan, you act also. I didn't know it. Okay. Okay, Ratan. What else? Okay, now give the name of your favorite car. Which car do you like? Ferrari. Okay. Now give me the name of your something that you use in your day-to-day life.
Intelligence.
Okay, very good. We really don't use this in a day-to-day life. Good if you are using it. And last 2 words.
Applesauce.
Okay, applesauce. And the last word.
Boredom.
Podium. Okay, I've written this 10 words. Phobia, avocado, ginger, laptop, 942, Ratan, Ferrari, intelligence, applesauce, podium. Now, if I'm a school student who is going to memorize this and write in the exam, what I'll do is, I'll mug it up, I'll write it down. The moment I've come out of the examination hall, I'll forget it. That's the way people have been doing over the years. Instead of that, I'll visualize, I'll associate, and I will remember. Let's see how we can do that. First 2 words are phobia and avocado. So, I'm a person, I have a deep phobia. But luckily not for maths, for avocado. Whenever the avocado vegetables comes in front of me, I get extremely jittery. So, close your eyes and see 2 words, phobia and avocado. See that. Aankhein band kijiye, close your eyes and see that for 10 seconds. Phobia and avocado, avocado and phobia, both of them. Are we done? Okay? Say. What are the first 2 words?
Phobia, avocado.
Very good.
Phobia, avocado.
Okay, now after phobia, avocado comes ginger and laptop. Okay, now I don't like avocado, but I have no such problems with having ginger. And not only I have ginger, I have a lot of information of ginger on my laptop. So now we have done 4 words: phobia, avocado, ginger, laptop. And ulta, laptop, ginger, avocado, phobia. Close your eyes and see that. आंखें बंद कीजिए, visualize, associate, and repeat in your mind.
And
Okay, are we done? Say all of them.
phobia, avocado, ginger, laptop.
Ulta.
Laptop, ginger, phobia.
Very good. Now, after phobia, avocado, ginger, laptop, we have 942. Now, 942 is the bungalow number, and it is the bungalow number of Ratan. Ratan is living in which bungalow? Bungalow number? 942. And if you're having a bungalow, you're a rich person, you also have a Ferrari. So the next 3 words are 942, Ratan and Ferrari. Okay. Now close your eyes and see all the 7 words which are phobia, avocado, ginger, laptop, 942, Ratan and Ferrari. आंखें बंद कीजिए, close your eyes and see all of them.
Done.
Okay, now say all of them together.
Phobia, avocado, ginger, laptop.
942.
Okay.
942, Ratan,
Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Now ulta.
Ferrari, 940, Ferrari, Ratan, 942, laptop, ginger, avocado,
Phobia.
phobia.
Very good. Now we have 3 words left. Intelligence. So we all need to have lots of intelligence which we are not using. So let's use our intelligence, and we like to have apple sauce, which is our favorite dish, and we are going to go to a podium. This show is online, but the normal show when Corona goes away will be in front of people on a podium. So the last 3 words are intelligence, applesauce and podium. With that, all the 10 words are over. Now, who in the audience is confident enough to say all of them Sida, all of them Ulta? We want 2 people. One person will say Sida, one person will say Ulta. Who wants to say Sida?
Sida.
Say Sida.
Okay.
Start.
Phobia,
Uh-huh.
avocado,
Okay.
ginger, laptop,
Ratan.
No, 942.
942, Ratan,
Okay.
Ferrari,
Mm-hmm.
intelligence, applesauce, podium.
Very good. That was fantastic. Good work. Now, Ulta. Who is even more confident to say it Ulta? Ulta बोलने में थोड़ा कठिनाई होती है. Who would like to try? Somebody else? Then you can try again after that person.
Okay.
Okay. So who would like to do it? If no, who's confident enough of his or her memory? Elders can also try. You are young at heart. That's important.
Rocks.